Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another chapter of Carbon Obsession Part 4. I put 3 but it's 4, right? It's alright. So we got a little package here. Just got home from work. As you can see, I got my uniform on. So bienvenido al canal, muchachones. Bienvenido a parte 4 de la serie de la obsesión de fibra de carbono. Tenemos un pequeño paquetico aquí que vamos a poner. And before I forgot to mention, there's 2 parts that I want to install for this video. So I only have this one right now. This is the only part that came in. So I'm gonna make this, I'm gonna do this, and then when the other part comes in, I'll continue the video. So este video va a ser 2 piezas que voy a estar instalando, pero solo me ha llegado una sola pieza. So en lo que llega la otra pieza voy a instalar esto hoy. Y ya cuando llegue la otra pieza, ahí yo continúo con el video. Y después lo subo para que ustedes vean. So, ya ustedes saben si me ven con otra ropa para, de repente así. So, vamos a meter mano de una vez. So, as you guys can see, como ustedes pueden ver, tenemos más carbon fiber. Allá adentro se ve un poquito feo. Looks a little bit ugly in there, but outside there is gloss. So of course tenemos que quitar esto. Of course we gotta take these off. So in that case, this is where the blower comes in. Ahí que metemos mano con el blower, because I always forget to get my heat gun from the storage. Siempre se me olvida buscar la pistola mía para calentar del storage. So voy a tener que meter mano con esto por ahora, a ver qué es lo que es. So, lo que vamos a hacer, so now that I have this one off, I'm gonna just clean it up. Take off any glue or whatever. So, lo estoy limpiando, un chindeto, esto como alcohol, una vainita para limpiar, tú sabes. Para que aquella vaina pueda pegar bien. So I'm just gonna show you guys this one. The other ones is gonna be on time lapse, because I'm not gonna show you guys the same process on all 4s. It's gonna take up my time. So yeah, I'm gonna just do this, and then the other one is gonna be time lapse. So lo que está diciendo es que nada más lo voy a hacer así, ¿sabes? Le voy a explicar cómo lo hice en Ya lo otro yo lo voy a dejar ahí que pase rápido. Así no le estoy enseñando lo mismo en los 4. So here right now I'm just gonna peel this off if I can. Estoy quitando esta cinta ahora del tape y doble cara. Got that one off. So este se va a ver así. Entonces la misma línea del carbon fiber that I have on my side skirts is going the same way as this, so it's all going the same way. So you guys gotta make sure you're doing that right. So now I'm just gonna stick it here. Gotta make sure you're not covering the gap right here, like I did on the first try. Then I line it up there, but here Now I get the rag. I'm gonna put the corner one. Gotta make sure it's going the same way, both of them, so it doesn't, be mismatched or whatever you want to call it. And remember the gap in the middle for when you open it. You gotta leave a little gap there so it doesn't, So, en español, asegúrense de que las líneas estén, tú sabes, iguales de los dos lados, y acuérdate de dejar aquí en el medio el gapecito para cuando tú abres la puerta, tú sabes. Pues sí, that's gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoy the time lapse. Catch you guys in a few.
Depo on the beat.
And alright, that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. Let me see if I have anything to say about them. They do look good. Se ven bien. There is this little gap there, right here, right there. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or if it should cover it. I don't know, but anyways, they do look good. Se ven bien. No, eso ahí, pero it's alright. Can't see them through here. Or right there. But yeah. So yeah. We'll catch you guys when the other parts come in. I'm not gonna do this yet, so. You know what? I did lie. I'm gonna do it. Welcome back, guys. It's like a few days later after we install the, part one. So we got in these carbon fiber lower mirror thingies, trim for right there to cover that. It was not expecting it to be like an overlay. I thought it was the whole thing from there, but unfortunately it's just to stick it on there, but it's alright. So, estamos aquí, llegaron la otra pieza. Es todo lo que va ahí. Pero yo pensaba que esto era esa parte entera, pero esta lo que uno lo va a pegar ahí. Pero como quiera, vamos a ver cómo se ve. So, we're gonna clean it up. I'm gonna open this. I'm trying my best to see if I can cover the plastic dip right there and see it doesn't show. So now that I got all the tape off, let me see. That's already on there. I wanted to move a little bit more, but it's already on there, so I'm just gonna leave it. Let me see. Yeah, that's gonna stay right there. I'm not gonna mess with it because it's really thin and I don't want to break it, so I'm just gonna leave it there. But there it is, guys. What you guys think? So here it is, a closer look. See right here is, it doesn't cover the other plastic there, but it's alright. So now, let me go clean up the other side, put that one on. I'll show you guys later. Hopefully this side fits like the other side. Don't mind the mess. But yeah, let's get to work. This side is on. Yep. I do like it. No, I'm not putting this part carbon. It's just the bottom. I don't want to take away more from the red, because I love the red, so no more taking away from the red. That should all be the black parts that I'm gonna put on the car for now. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.